Drone is alive. Outside. Wasn't that amazing sunrise? So this episode is about drones. I have 3 drones. Yes, I crashed one last week. So that's exactly what happened to me. I had my drone in the air, 15 feet in the air. All of a sudden it just loses the signal, comes down. I was just like shocked. I was like, what the heck is going on? I just see this thing just spinning, boom, it hits the ground. Bounces right off the grass. I was right at the edge of a curb. Bounces right off the grass, right into the street, destroyed. Totally sucks, because I only had it 3 days. But the gimbal came apart, the camera's gone. It's a 4K camera. The propeller off. It sucks because I only had it 3 days. But I did replace it. I got this one right here, DJI. It's a Phantom 3. There's the camera that the other one's supposed to have that doesn't have because of the crash. This one is really good. I'm only using the DJI app to run it. The other one that I wrecked, I was using another app. Maybe that's why I wrecked. Hate talking about it, but that's what probably happened. And then also today for Christmas, wow, boom, right there. The 3DR Solo. So I don't know much about that drone. I've seen some reviews. I heard it's really good. I'm gonna test it out tomorrow, and then see what happens. Let you guys know if I like it or not. But also, just what else happened too is our neighbor's tree. It was so windy earlier today, the tree had fell right on our car, smashed it. I think the car is totaled out. So I'm gonna go check it out. So crazy, this tree just came down from our neighbor's house. It's nuts. Just checking it out now. Yeah, we're just trying to get this tree in the house for Christmas. We want to make sure we have a nice tree.
Think it's gonna fit?
I don't know. I think you might. This is crazy. This is nuts. So anyway, the story is this tree was sitting right here in this yard. It's very old. I don't know how old it is, but you can see houses are pretty close. So it did fall this way, which is a lucky thing. Nobody was in the street, nobody was in the cars, but it smashed my car right there. Merry Christmas to myself, right? Got a smashed car for Christmas. How funny is that? So busted the windshield out. Busted the tail light out. But as you can see, this thing is all the way in the street right here. This is nuts. Let me get a selfie with this. There we go. The world's biggest Christmas tree. Yeah, but this is so crazy. Check it out. This is awesome. This is kind of awesome, but kind of bad at the same time because my car smashed, but it's really cool. But at the same time, it's so awesome. Well, not awesome. No, the car got smashed, but I've never seen nothing like this. Right here. Look at the roots of that thing. Wow. Look at this thing. Huge. You see right there?